Oh man, right now I'm so excited. I don't even want to do my title card. No, 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 wait! Jeremy's what? So if you're wondering why, no, wait, why am I asking? Of course you're wondering. Duh. So the reason why I'm so excited today, well, today was the first day of the Max Face test, and it was all multiple choice. I know that may not seem like much to you, but to me, it was awesome. No, I'm not a mega geek or a teacher's pet, but I just know I aced it. I just know. Plus, I even slept with this under my pillow for good luck. So, yeah! I had nothing to do with that. I was the first one finished with my test. And even though my teacher says that's a bad thing, um, like I said, I know I aced it. I know it. Um, yeah. So, anyway, we went outside for recess today at um no one to play with me, so that was a real bummer. But it wasn't too bad, because then I got to spend the whole recess period all to myself. Myself, yo! Okay, where is that coming from? It's really annoying. Um, where is... Oh! Ow! Oh! I just found some gum! Ah. I found it on the carpet. It was already mushy, but it made me strong. Anyway, so, so, so remember when that episode where I was satisfied and George told me that there was a math and science test coming up? Well, it turns out he was wrong. Actually, it's only the math test coming. In your face, Joe! Ha! George finally did something wrong. He screwed up. Yo! Uh-huh. What? Um... That is scaring me. So, I'll see you guys later, because I really gotta find out where that noise is coming from. It's freaking me out. I don't know where it's coming from and why it's happening. I don't know what it wants from me or any of you guys, so I think you guys better go. Jeremy is out. Peace!